Pick yourself up, mama. You're trying your best, mama. Your kids are happy, they are safe, they are loved, mama. So give yourself credit for all you do each day. Because of you, mama, your babies are okay. Night times can be hard, school runs can be far, but they love who you are. They make everything worth it. Those fears that you erase when they feel your warm embrace. They look at your face and know it's okay. 'Cause you are strong, you've had this all along. Whether you think you're right or wrong, just keep on going on.